Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Viewers of Zawar Hussain YouTube channel, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's video contains 25 quotes and sayings of Imam Ali about friends. So watch this video and learn something new.
Number 56. The best choice is accompanying the righteous. Number 57. The best brother is the most helpful of them in performing good deeds, the most active in doing good deeds, and the most affable in companionship. Number 58. Many a friend may be envious. Number 59. The beauty of companionship is tolerance. Number 60. The worst of your brothers is the one who makes you accept falsehood. Number 61. The worst of your friends is the one for whom you always have to undergo hardship. Number 62. The worst of brothers is one who forsakes you in times of need. Number 63. The worst companion is an ignorant person. Number 64. The worst brother is the one who keeps ties with you in good times, but abandons you in times of difficulty. Number 65. The worst of your brothers is the one who beguiles you with vain desire and distracts you with this world. Number 66. The worst of your brothers is the deceiving flatterer. Number 67. The worst of your brothers is the one who is slow in performing good deeds and slows you down from doing good along with him. Number 68. The worst and most deceitful of your brothers is the one who entices you with the pleasures of this transitory world and makes you unmindful of the hereafter. Number 69. The worst companion is the one who changes his loyalty quickly. Number 70. The worst comrade is one who is very suspicious. Number 71. A bad companion is like a splinter of hellfire. Number 72. Companionship with the righteous leads one to acquire righteousness. Just like the wind, when it passes by perfume, it carries the fragrance. Number 73. Enmity with the honorable is safer than friendship with the wicked. Number 74. The companionship of a wise person is dependable. Number 75. Sitting in the company of virtuous brings honor. Number 76. Being in the company of an ignorant person is one of the greatest tribulation. Number 77. Accompanying the wicked brings ruin. Number 78. Sitting with people of low morals wears out the horse. Number 79. One who accompanies the wicked is like one who travels by sea. If he is saved from drowning, he will still not be saved from the fear of drowning. Number 80. Sitting with worldly people causes one to forget his faith and drives one towards the obedience of Satan.